What a gorgeous day for breakfast and laundry. Chad, you swear there's space in this trunkadora.
Oh, there's no space back there. Right back here.
Oh, how lovely.
Yeah. Your eggs and yours. Right here.
How are we doing over here?
But it's too late.
Too late. About 6:30 in the Mertens. Waiting on Christy Chris to go to the shimmy show. Oh. He's off today, and I don't work until a smidge later. So we're going a little bit later, thank goodness. We did it, Joe. This guy, I telling to you. You better work, mama.
Yeah.
Little post-workout donuts. Oh. Maybe some old fashions. I almost fell.
up.
Shut your ass up.
Oh my god, you almost. Aww. Wow.
Sirs.
It's giving Christmas.
Christmas? 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 Wow.
Little frame.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
Get a little frame.
Little praise.
Split. Split right on the. See how this is.
Bahn. And some bacon fried rice. The January specials are bacon fried rice and tiger fish, spelled Thaiger, like Thai.
One shrimp and just no peanut. This is 6.5.
Finally! Oh. Wow, out here in University Heights. Ooh.
You're doing that like it's freezing. I mean, oh, so cold.
It's cold. It's ready?
You should have him do the intro. Oh, I don't know. No. Nobody told me. Adrian card holder. That's your last name?
Adrian car holder.
I know you wish.
Ours is ours.
Your body is LGB minus the T.
Leviticol?
He's gonna love this.
Low cream.
You don't have one.
I can't.
You don't have a beard.
The level of disrespect.
See, you should grow it out because you keep going like this if you want one. Good.
Wow.
It's, you know what? I admire you.
Oh?
There's two cameras?
Eidos.
Why is there two now?
Because I bought the new one for Christmas.
Oh, I don't know. That was me.
Interesting. So here we are, starting our day off right. I'm gonna do some pre-spring cleaning today. We're both off. This is gonna be amazing. Is it the... Just tending to our urban garden. Oh, jeebus. I don't know, we're maybe like a third of the way through. Marcos is still in the bathroom. I've cleaned the closet. He's almost finished with the bathroom. And then I'll put the rest of the stuff from here back into the closet. And then it's just the kitchen and the main room. Wow. Almost finished. Gosh, I hope so. Pardon.